Hi, it's Jennifer from Tarle Speech with your 2 for Tuesday. Today's words are band, a musical group, or a loop to hold things together, or banned, meaning prohibited. So let's take a look. We're going to start with that B sound today. To do this, put your lips together, ba, open them up, and your voice box is going to be on for that B sound, ba. Next, move to that short open vowel, that ah sound in English. To do this, your mouth is going to be really wide open in a circle, and that's going to help the tongue get low in your mouth with the back of your tongue pulled up. Ah, ah. Next, we're going to move to the N. To do this, air is going to come out of your nose while the tip of your tongue is behind your top front teeth. Then you're going to pull your tongue down as the air switches to come out of your mouth for that D sound. Let's put it all together. Band, band, band. The band banned video recording at their concerts. The band banned video recording at their concerts. Give it a try. People will notice the difference. If you like this, please give us a like, a share, and a subscribe. Thanks, everybody. Take care.